Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about how to recycle your old soap leftovers. I've taken a few leftover soap bars and we'll be grating them. So these are my few leftover soap bars. We've taken a grater. Grating why we do grating is because grating makes the process very easier. So the process of rebatching the soap, it gets very simplified with this. So we'll be grating all the soap bars what we have with us. This process needs a lot of patience. We have to make sure that we don't get our fingers hurt. To be very careful. And finally we have grated soaps, finely grated. Now we'll be putting them into water. So we have put the grated soap into water. We'll be giving it a stir and be keeping it for 24 hours. Stir it for a while and keep it for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, see the texture of the soap. It has got very rich, shiny and smooth. See, have a look. My God, it's shiny, smooth, rich, my goodness. I think the water content is a bit less in this batch. So we'll be adding a water and bringing it to heat. We've added a little bit of water in very low heat. So we have oiled our molds. Approximately we'll be getting 3 bars of soap. So we pour the soap mixture into the molds, be pressing it gently, waiting for it to get settled. And finally 3 bars of soap. We'll be pressing it gently. Make sure the soap gets settled in the molds. We'll wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we'll unmold the soap. So it's 24 hours and we'll be unmolding the soap. This process needs to be done with a lot of patience because the soap bars are very delicate at this point of time. And finally, we have got our soap bars. One more to go. And we have the 3rd bar of the soap ready with us. See how easily we have made fresh soap bars from the leftovers.